At the event today, we saw a whole range of exhibitors showcasing best practice and real opportunities. The key really is to show the benefits that this can deliver to communities and the services that we deliver in Dublin City Council and local government.
I'm here today in Dublin City Council and I've been shown around by different councils, also the university sector. What I'm seeing is an interaction between the private sector, the public sector, central government, local government, and they're looking at how drones can improve our daily life and how we need to regulate them so that the system can all work for the benefit of the public.
The drone space has grown exponentially over the last few years. There's some huge challenges in the National Advisory Group. It's very important for us going forward that we develop that combined, joined-up thinking at a state level before we take this on any further.
The purpose of the Public Sector Innovation Fund is to provide some funding for projects that otherwise wouldn't happen. So what we do is we go out and we look for projects based on what would their outcomes be for the general public, what is the impact.
This project has 4 outputs. First one is a national survey just to gather some sentiments towards technology. The second one is a data privacy handbook. The third one is a handbook on the regulations and operations. And the last one is the international best practice report to give us a sense of what's out there and how Ireland's positioned itself in the market.
I think Ireland has positioned itself quite well in terms of developing drone industry. We need to bring in research and development and put that at the core of how we develop these new technologies and services. And we need the public involved as well.
I think there are 2 things that are really needed to make the drone market thrive. The first is to progress the regulations to allow drones to fly beyond visual line of sight. And that'll open up the potential for really making it commercially viable. And the second is the need for the market, people, communities, not just to accept and approve of this, but actually understand the benefits and the challenges that drones mean to them.
Our vision for the future would be a safe space where consumers are happy, operators are happy, and we're happy from a safety perspective.